Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing Session. In this session, we are going to see a term called chance variation or chance error. It is used in statistical analysis. A chance variation or chance error or random error is an inherent error in any predictive statistical model. It is defined as the difference between the predicted value of a variable by the statistical model in question and the actual value of the variable. For a fairly large sample size, these errors are seen to be uniformly distributed above and below the mean and cancel each other out, resulting in an expected value of 0. The factors influencing the behavior of variable in question usually behave in a random way, so the outputs and the resulting chance error also appear in somewhat random fashion. Thus, chance error cannot be controlled. However accurate the model may be, the presence of this error hence does not reduce the credibility of the model. This error is in sharp contrast to the other modeling error called the sampling error. This is a systematic error which has crept into the system due to biases in assumption or the experimentation arrangement. This error has a direct defined relationship with the variable, hence its expected value is not 0, resulting in severely erroneous model. An example of random experiment will be measurement of pulse rate of 100 random people on the street. However, a biases setup may be measuring pulse rate of 100 joggers on the street, which will definitely contain an upside bias. Thanks for watching. Bye.